Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to upload a image or video into Cloudinary. So Cloudinary is one of the popular API service, you can say, where we can upload images or videos. So let us see how to do that. First we will see the demo of that. Here I am going to click choose file. Once I click on this, I can select various images and I will select this image. And it will be uploaded to this Cloudinary. Once it is uploaded, you will be able to see the image here. So in this Cloudinary, when you go to media library, you will be able to see a folder called technical images, where we will be uploading our images. So you can see here there are different images. I have uploaded this image now. So let us see how to do this practically in React application. So first we have to go to cloudinary.com. So we are going to use the trial version. So based on your requirement, you can use the pricing version. So in the trial version, you will be able to upload only certain amount of images, like 35 something. So you have to sign up here. I have already done that and I am going to log in. So once you click on this login, you will be able to navigate to that login section. So let us wait for that. Yeah. So I'm going to click on login, sign in. Here we will get different options like dashboard, media library, transformations, reports and add-ons. So let us see what is this dashboard and what it consists of. So in this dashboard you will be having the API key and API secret something and environment variable. So this is what we have to use in our application in order to upload images to Cloudinary. So we will see how to use this while uploading. And coming to this media library, you will be seeing the folders where we are going to upload our images. So this is the sample image, and once you create any folder, you will be able to see here. And you have to go to this settings. In this settings, you have to go to upload section. In the upload, you have to change these upload presets. So I have already created some technical images upload presets with the folder technical images. So I am going to delete this and create a new one. Add upload preset. So I am giving the same name, technical images. So you have to change this as unsigned, and after this you have to create a folder, and I am going to use same name, technical images. After this you have to click on this save button. Now you have to click on this save button. You have to click on save 2 times. So your settings updated successfully. So once this is done, you have to go to your application and start our coding. So for this I have created an application called as React 2, and in this application I am going to code everything in this app.js. So based on your requirement, you can create a functional component so that you can use that anywhere in your application. So first I am going to use this container from Semantic UI. this container I am going to use segment. Once I save this, you have to I'm going to create some header with some simple stuff called file upload or image upload. Using React.js. And I am going to create a file input, type as file, so placeholder equal to, I am going to display some upload image. Now once user clicks on this, or once user changes, we will call a method called onFileChange. Now I'm going to create this file change method in this app component. For creating this, I am going to use arrow function syntax. If you don't know about arrow function syntax, you can go back to my channel where I have clearly explained what is arrow function and ES6 features. So let us stop this temporary here, and after this I am going to use something called as loading. For this we have to create a variable called as loading here. For creating this we have to use state hook. And if this loading is true, then we have to show loading, and if it is false, then I am going to show some image what user has uploaded. src equal to as of now empty, and style equal to, I am giving some width of 300 pixels. So the next thing we are going to do is create the method or write the code in this method. Now I'm going to create an image variable where we are going to store the image, and set this image by using set image equal to useState of, initially it will be empty, and in this onChange method, onFileChange method, we are going to use files. So here whenever user clicks on this file input, we will be getting some event, and I am going to get this event here. So this is async method, and to this files I am going to use event.target.files, and I am going to use form data to upload image to Cloudinary, and I am going to append file name and file and folder name to this form data, and file is files of, so this files is the array. So this first element of the array consists of all the data about this file or image, so we are appending that to the data. And next thing we are going to append is upload preset. Here we are going to give the folder name what we have created. So once user clicks on this input button, we will be loading something. So for this I am going to set loading to true, so that we will be able to see this text and user understands that the image is getting loaded successfully. So the next thing we are going to use is calling this API. For this we are going to use fetch, which will take two parameters. One is the API URL and the second one is the method data. So we are using this post method, and body will be data or form data what we have created here. So here comes the URL part. For this URL you have to go to dashboard in Cloudinary. You have to click on more and you can see the API base URL. We have to copy this and paste here. Along with this we have to add some additional information called image/upload. So once this is done, save this, and after this we have to log the response. So this response consists of JSON part, and we are going to set the image by using set image. File.url. The data consists of the URL and additional stuff. We are going to use this URL and send that URL here. So we have to copy this image and paste here. After setting the image, we are going to make loading as false and show the image. If you are not making it as false, you will be able to see only the loading. So user will assume that it is still loading. So once we get the image back, we have to set the loading as false. And I am going to log this, whatever we got from the Cloudinary API. So once this is done, you are good to go. So let us head back to our browser and check whether it's working or not. So let us head back to our browser. Once I click on this, and I am going to select something, you will be able to see the loading image or loading text. And here you have to go to media library, and once I refresh this, you should be able to see a folder called technical images. in this you will be able to see the image what we have uploaded, and you can see here we got the image. So in this way you can upload your images to Cloudinary using React. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.